Hi, welcome back to third part of my Black Friday sale video. So in previous video, as I said, I had like 7 boxes and I still have 3 boxes to open from Kenzo, from Victoria's Secret and Saks Fifth Avenue. So let's open these 3 packages right now. So let's start with Victoria's Secret. Okay, so in Victoria's Secret I got several items, some of them from swim section because I found like several swim items that was on super cheap discount, so I couldn't resist to buy it because anyway I would need it for my Christmas vacation, and since they was like super cheap, why to wait and not buy it. So I also got some swim, some cover up, something else, I don't even remember what, and the blanket was a gift. So let's take a look on all these items I got. And they also sent this $25 that's going on right now from December 3 to 18th, like a holiday reward. I have already several of them. Okay, so let's okay, this is it. There's all items here. So this is blanket and it's in Christmassy style. As you can see, it's like a kind of plain. Yeah, it's plain, and this is about usual size from all Victoria's Secret free blankets. It's like 50 to 60 or something, or like 60 to 60, something like that. So, but this is this color, and it goes free with $100 purchase. Okay, so this is all the items I got. So this is Heavenly Soft Crop Tea Red, and this is kind of like a lounge bra or something. It's not a bra, it's more like a top, as you can see, like this. It's the color called like Scarlet, and I got it like for $20. Okay, so yes, $20.70. Okay, this is the skirt, and this is how it's called, side button slit skirt. So this one should be perfect for Christmas because it's kind of very interesting pattern. So it has like all these buttons here that actually can be opened like this, and then this one is as well like in this color that I called how Scarlet, and it's about like neon. This one was about $60 or $75 original price, and I got it from clearance section for just $14. So it was like super cheap. That's why I decided why not to give it a try. Especially I was looking for red skirt, like real red. Okay, so this is swim top, and this is very just kind of squarish. So how it's called, let me double check. Square neck braleted top. The color's called watermelon. So this is pretty simple like this, and I have like a lot of swim bottoms, so I can just mix and match it. But anyway, so this color is just perfect for match it with anything else, so very nice. And why I got this, because I saw the price that is just $8.99, which is super cheap, because it's usually about how much, I don't know, they don't have tax here, but it was about $30-40 usually all this like swim separates. So this one is for $8, super good, and it probably can be matched with anything. Okay, so the second part, the second bra, swim top, is this one. Okay, so it looks very cute as well, and this was on discount as well, and I guess this one was on discount because it's from kinda 4th of July kinda stuff, all this blue and red, but it's actually gonna work with a lot of my swim bottoms, so I decided to get this one. It has all the slippery things here, so it's gonna hold well, and it has also this neck strap, and of course the most exciting part, it was $10.99, so super cheap for this item. Usually about $39, this kind of bra swim tops from Victoria's Secret, so very nice. Okay, so this is my last item from Victoria's Secret, and this is red cover up. I actually wanted so badly red cover up for Christmas, so, and unfortunately for me it was only a medium size. It's like the only size was available. So, but then I look in the picture, so they, let me show, has like all these ties on the sides over here, and also they have like all this like ties on the back and everything, so that's why I thought like probably it's gonna work anyway, because you can just tie it all. And if it's gonna be super long for me, which is gonna be for sure, because I'm 5'2", and this one was like quite long even on the pictures on the website, so for me it's gonna be long like 100%. So, and it looks very nice. I'm just gonna take it to tailoring service, so, and just make it a little bit shorter. Okay, so this is from Kenzo. I so much like items from Kenzo. It's already I guess it's my third purchase from Kenzo website. I got some sneakers, then some cardigan, and now this is a dress. And let's see, so this is a sweatshirt dress, and it's very nice material, like super, like quality is just amazing. Oh, so much paper around. Okay, so it looks very nice. Over here it says, on this eye they says Kenzo and Paris. So here you can see that it's size small, Kenzo Paris, and this is the tag. Eye Classic Sweatshirt Dress, it's called. This one is like $385, something like that, like original price, and then they have a sale on the website, and it was $265, and you have like plus 10% off on that price, and total I pay for this one like $240 something. Okay, so this is Saks Fifth Avenue box, where I got some Burberry and Versace, yeah, Burberry, Versace, and some slippers. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's start with Burberry, since it's the biggest here and quite heavy. So this is my rain boots. Yeah, I got rain boots from Burberry. So this is classic Burberry color here. All this greenish, yellowish greenish. Okay, so they do even send you rubber boot cleansing sponge for free, because I didn't see it in a description anywhere. Okay, so this is the tags, and it's called Flinton Rain Boot. I got them in size 36 because my US size is 6. Okay. Yeah, they kind of smell super like rubber, like very strong smell for some reason. I mean, it's Burberry, but smell like it's from China. Okay, so this is size 36. This is just decorative, I guess. It's not really, oh no, actually it's opening, but it's nobody really want to open. So this says Burberry here, and this like part is all rubber, and this socks is detachable, so you can actually take it away, wash it, clean it, dry it, and then just put back. So it's super easy, super light, and actually this kind of convenient. Then you can just take it out to clean or whatever and just put back. Very nice. Because for some reason I'm disappointed in Hunter rain boots, because wherever I wear them they always got wet. I mean, I got wet inside this like tall boots, and I have no idea why. I mean, probably, I don't know. I actually, maybe it has like some holes or something, or maybe they just, I don't know, not that waterproof when I walk in the water. And also I had like Chelsea's kind of style Hunter boots, and also like long ones, and they all cracked, like literally cracked after just couple months. So I'm not really super like excited about this brand anymore. So I decided to try maybe something higher, more higher, like high-ended boots like Burberry. So this is it. I'll see how this would work, but they look like super good quality, like rubber here, but we'll see. Okay, look very nice. Okay, so and plus they look super stylish even when there is no rain outside. Okay, so this is Burberry. This is free item, as I already said, rubber boot cleansing sponge. Okay, so this is just a lot of pepper here. Okay, what else I have in this package? So this is some wine voucher, whatever. And I also got these 2 items here. Okay, let's see. This is just super simple flip-flops. It's $34 cash, and it's just like regular flip-flops. I basically just wanted something for the pool, so this is gonna be just for this reason. I didn't really expect it to be something special, so just whatever regular flip-flops it could be. It's from the brand Hawaiians or something like that, and size 35-36. So flip-flops. And the last item here is this socks from Versace. Okay, so this is like socks that I got for my sneakers or something, to wear like long socks, and it says Versace here. I can just show you closer, just okay. So okay, this is it. So that says, okay, it says like Versace here. Versace around there, and this is the size. So what I can say about these socks, this is kids socks. So because the adult socks from designer brands, they cost like so much for just the socks. I just didn't want to pay that much, and I just found this Versace socks from kids section. And what the size, this size is 34-37, so it's like teen sizes. So basically, even if my boots is 36, 34, 37, it's totally gonna be fine for me. So this is super cute socks. Okay, and let's say about the prices. The boot was $240.75. This socks was $45.14, and the glitter rose gold flip-flops was $17.91. So basically, for when I got them on the socks website, it was get $50 off for every $200 you spend. So basically here was about exactly like $400, because these boots, they cost $320, these Burberry boots. So this one cost $60. Yes, as you can see here on the Versace tag. And these flip-flops, $34. So basically I got all this for like 420 something dollars, and the total was 400, yes, 400 like $20 I believe, and it was 100% off, because for every 200 you get $50 off, so 100 was dollars off. And the total is, you can see here, it's $325.16 socks purchase. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe below for more videos that I'm gonna post soon.